Here is the middle section of the Trendmasters 2-foot B9 torso. As you can see, I have all the holes cut out for the lights. Light kit has already been installed but removed so I can make his torso better the way it should be. You see there's a hole there for the mic. Now the arms I had already, but they weren't right. So there was a square hole in the middle of this on both sides. And what I did, I filled it in. I put in one of those conduit caps, had a hole in it. And that way it could have something to hold the arm, and I stuck it through the square hole at an angle so the arms weren't out to the side. But another group member from the B9 Builders Club pointed out that the arms weren't the way they should be. So what I did was I cut away everything that I put in. I cut out the whole arm section, as you see. So now what I want to do is fill it in and make it like this. That's the way it should be. Just like that. And that's what I want to do. Then what I plan to do once I get the arms done, I'm going to fuse it with the back part so it's all one piece. Paint it, set it aside. Then work on the other parts. I'm trying to make this as exact as the full-size one as possible. But though this was a lot of work, cutting all this away. Filing, sanding. It's a lot more work to go. What I plan to do is use plumber's putty to mold to make it look like what I just showed you from the Mobius. So I have the Mobius torso as a model. So I plan to make this as exact as possible. So the arms sit the way. And the arms that I have actually are motorcycle shock boots.